So I went to the Catskill Mountains. First place I played was an Orthodox hotel. I didn't know from nothing. Boy, was that a scare.
Yeah, tell me about that. What was your
The
first
place was called
impression?
Shlomi Ehrenreich's Hotel. And it was like exactly what it sounded like, a dump. And it was the equivalent at that time of glatt kosher. I did not know very many, if any, religious people at the time, but there were religious people, many of whom had come over as Holocaust survivors. And they were coming to this hotel. And some of them were Hungarian. They wanted to hear Hungarian Chardash, which there were some that came in, but we really didn't know it. And the kind of music that they thought of for dancing at weddings, chasanas, at parties, had to do with like the parshas that you would read for Od Yeshama B'Yara Yehuda, that they were playing for the bride and the groom. Yosis Alai, that kind of thing. The only Chosen Kala song we knew was Chosen Kala Mazel Tov. And that was more for the non-religious people than for the religious. I was out of that place in 3 weeks. I hated it. I was treated like a goy, I was, compared with them, I was. I got a job after that in a bungalow colony, one of the few that had a band. And they were friends of mine who I graduated with high school from. So we were all Brooklyn Tech guys, class of 1957. We had 2 saxes, me and another guy, a piano player who played like my father, oddly enough. He played the old style. And a drummer who later on became the composer of a song called My Boyfriend's Back and It'll Save Your Reputation, Hey La, Hey La. And then this guy was a rock and roll kind of a guy. So we got involved. We learned some rock and roll. We learned some of the jazz too, like The Lady is a Tramp and songs like that, which were older show tunes, which the jazz guys used to play. We used to play some of those. We learned how to play cha-chas, rumbas. Did we learn the Yiddish show tunes? I learned the Yiddish show tunes the next year.